First we are adding very simple landscape. After, from Fluid Flux folder we are adding two level FluxCoastline Domain and FluxSurface Coastline. This is the heart of our system. After we are adding on the scene FluxOcean Wave. In the details of the FluxCoastline Domain, in Surface Actor reference we are adding FluxSurface Coastline. After, in the details of the FluxSurface Coastline, in Ocean Wave Actor we are adding FluxOcean Wave. We are already good, only few steps left. In the details of FluxCoastline Domain in water surface height, we are increasing or decreasing value to match the level of our landscape. We are already seeing the effects of Shoreline's waves. Important note, we need to set the area of the FluxCoastline Domain that it will match our zone where we want to see Shoreline's waves. In area world pixel size, we can make the area bigger or smaller. Like you see here. And again we are good. That's actually very simple. In the FluxSurface Coastline detail, in Surface Mesh Density, here we can increase or decrease quality of the water. Just note that higher value will cost us performance drop. I like personally 128 on 128. That's the best quality considering the performance. Also in FluxSurface Coastline detail, in shore color preset we can choose or edit shader of our water. I personally really like Shore Green 01. And just it. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Bye!